Tragic story shaking the valley last month, and we talked about it here on ABC 15 Mornings after a house in Surprise burst into flames, killing the 82-year-old woman inside who was deaf.
That woman reportedly did not have any special smoke detectors with lights that can help a deaf person in case of an emergency. Let's go live to ABC 15's Jordan Bonke this morning. And Jordan, there's now a new initiative to try and change that and provide people with special needs a better way to protect themselves.
Hey, a very good morning to you guys, Nick and Kaylee. Yeah, it was just last month, an 82-year-old member of our deaf community, and there is a number of deaf community members out here in Surprise, perished in this fire. Give you a little closer look. You know, immediately when we came out here, just hours after the fact, there was a gate around it and lots of messages of love and support for her. When we talked with the Red Cross about this, they said they wish that they could give a smoke detector to everybody who needed one. And there's a special unique smoke detector for members of our deaf community.
A view from overhead shows what's left after a fire so intense, firefighters couldn't even get inside until a half hour after multiple water lines were used to put it all out. And once inside, officials discovered what many in the surrounding deaf community feared. 82-year-old Cynthia Minter was killed in the fire. Weeks later, officials still don't know what started it all. Close family friend Emery Marsh.
She had a big heart, and she just lost her husband and about a year ago.
After we first covered what happened at this Surprise home near Loop 303 and Grand Avenue, the Red Cross sought to remind the community they can come to qualifying homes and install smoke detectors. In fact, over the past decade, they've installed over 2 million free smoke detectors and were able to save over 2,000 lives across the country. Ken Edelbutte is with the Red Cross.
I was quite sad about it, along with all of our Red Cross community, that people were not aware of a program that we had where we can install detectors, regular smoke detectors, along with special bed shaker alarms.
And for members of our deaf community, the Red Cross even installs these.
Fire! Get out!
The smoke detector listens for the beep for a traditional detector, causing a device placed under a bed to alert a sleeping deaf person of a fire by shaking it. Red Cross also urges all households to have a plan with multiple exits on how to get out of a home if there is a fire, along with one meeting location for when first responders arrive.
Now, I like to use Red Cross volunteers, but we don't always have enough Red Cross volunteers. So that's something we really need.
We make it a point at ABC 15 to share a comment like that from the Red Cross and how you in the community can help. But if you are in need of a smoke detector, there's two ways that you can try and apply for one of those, and that's at redcross.org or the number on your screen, which is 602-336-6469. And that includes the bed shaking. Now, these are expensive pieces of equipment. Sometimes they're going to be a lot more than a regular smoke detector, but for the Red Cross, if you're qualifying, it's absolutely free. We're live in Surprise this morning. Jordan Bonke, ABC 15, Arizona.
And when you weigh it out with being able to save a life, it's worth it.
Absolutely. And these are good reminders, by the way, Jordan, to check your smoke detectors no matter what.
Right.
I mean, I walk by mine thinking, oh, I got to put a battery in that. So just make sure you're doing this. It's life-saving. Thank you.